Guys, we finally made it on the ferry. Fully loaded bikes. I think we're actually leaving and now it feels proper real that this trip is happening. We're here, fully loaded. Yeah, more to come. Hello everyone, this is Prince H. Ali. So a bit about what we're going to do is we're doing a trip from England to Pakistan on motorbikes. Let's see how that turns out. We've actually made it from our hometown, which is Bradford, to Harwich. We're on the ferry now. Not long to go. Only 20 days. 20 days. That's going to be interesting. 2 bikers, 6,000 miles. We shall see you on the road. That's great. Hello everyone, welcome back. So we've just made it to, where are we? Netherlands, yeah. We've just gone through the border, which is right there behind me. Could have been bad, but it turned out okay. The bikes are here. We're on the way to Luxembourg. It's 300 and something kilometers from where we are right now. So we basically, the plan today is to get as far as we can from here, and then we'll pick up tomorrow and we'll see how things go. So I'll probably catch you on the road. So the bikes are ready. I think we've got some rain tomorrow. Pretty much last minute thing. Some bin bags. Hopefully they'll do the job. Teddy's got 2 on his bike. That's his sleeping bag. This one has his tent. That's my tent. They're parked up on the side. Under there, hopefully they won't get wet, but it's not looking good tomorrow. So let's see what happens. Right now it's 1 a.m. I think it's time for bed. I'm too tired today. We've done 500 miles, give or take. Pretty much on 2.5 full tanks. So it's not so bad. Yeah, we shall see tomorrow. We haven't decided where we're going to be tomorrow. We were thinking of Switzerland, but it is like another 500 miles or so, give or take, from where we are. but we'll see what happens. But that's the update for tonight, and yeah, and we'll see you tomorrow. Ride safe, have fun out there on the road.